Dog and Bear. The other bear. It's almost Halloween. I can't wait to choose our costume, said Dog. I will try this one, said Bear. Oh, hello. Oh my. Oh dear. Dog, come quickly. I just saw another bear and he looks just like me. No way, said Dog. It's true, he looks exactly like me. Please, Dog, let me show you. Okay, Bear, show me. Look, Dog, there he is. Oh, and he's got a friend who looks exactly like me. Ding dong! Ding dong! Hooray! The trick-or-treaters are here! Don't get up, Bear. I'll get it. All right, Dog. Trick-or-treat. Treat, of course. Ding dong! More trick-or-treaters! Trick-or-treat! This is the best Halloween ever. Ding dong! Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Even more trick-or-treaters. Dog, haven't you given away all the candy by now? Asked Bear. I was supposed to give it away. No treats for you. Ding dong. Trick-or-treat. No treats for you. You're not wearing costumes. Yes, we are, said Bear. No, you're not, said Ghost. Yes, we are, said Dog. No, you're not, said Ghost. Yes, we are, said Dog and Bear. Oh, really? Then what are you supposed to be?